On a keto diet, what vegetables can you eat? Is broccoli preferable to avocado? Which vegetables are suitable for a keto diet? On today's video, we'll tell you. So watch the video till the end. To put it another way, we bring you some fact about the keto diet. Follow this simple rule to find the best keto vegetables. It's probably better for a keto diet if it grows above ground. Why? Plants store a large portion of their carbohydrates in their roots, which are located below ground. It's recommended to remaining under 20 grams of net carbohydrates per day for keto. So, if you eat 100 grams of a root vegetable, such as a potato, it already has 15 grams of net carbohydrates in it. On today's video, we bring you some facts about the keto diet. Let's get started. Check out our list of the top 10 keto vegetables. Listed in terms of popularity and how simple and easy they are to prepare for keto. Brussels sprouts are number 10. These small jewels are huge on flavor, with only 5 grams of carbohydrates per 100 gram serving. Try roasting them with bacon or shredding them in a salad. Green beans are number 9. Carbohydrates, 4 grams. Are also known as string beans, snap beans, and haricot vert. Keep a bag in the freezer to toss in soups, stews, or casseroles. Number 8, kale has 3 grams of carbohydrates per 100 calories. When mixed with salad dressing or baked in casseroles, it becomes extremely tender. It's also delicious in smoothies or crispy fries. Asparagus is number 7. With 2 grams per 100. With these spears, you'll hit the keto mark. Sautéed, grilled, or steaming are all options. Spinach is number 6. Just 1 gram. It can be eaten fresh in salads, sautéed, or creamed. Try a spinach omelette in breakfast. It's almost impossible to eat too much with only 1 gram of carbohydrates. Zucchini comes in 5th. 3.0 grams. Make zoedols, your new favorite pasta, with the help of simple kitchen spiralizer. On 4th, cabbage, 3 grams. A cabbage head can don a variety of disguises. It can be used as a wrap or to make people believe it's pasta. It also makes a refreshing summer salad when sliced into slaw. Broccoli ranks 3rd. Approximately 4 grams. Protein and fiber content are both high in this dish. Eat raw, cooked, dipped, or smothered. The avocado comes in 2nd. 2.2 grams. Although technically a fruit, it is high in minerals and healthy fats. Sliced, mashed into guacamole, or baked, this avocado is delicious. Cauliflower is 1st. 3.0 grams. The winner. Many high-carb dishes can be replaced with it. You'll never miss potatoes after trying it mashed. You may grate it into rice or use it to make a beautiful pizza crust. The top 10 keto vegetables. Each 100 gram serving contains less than 5 grams of net carbohydrates. If it grows above ground, it's definitely healthier for keto, because you're not eating the root. Watch our channel for more such videos. Simple recipes as well as reliable weight loss and health advice. How you liked this video? Leave your suggestions and other requests on comment section.